Cinnabon is born, Vegas Best Ideas had a dance party, and who is the godfather of vloggers? Mark with the Monday vlog of the day. Lucky Beach with some great historical information on the flamingo, and she catches the handlers trying to catch a duck in the flamingo habitat. Rick explores the Healing Garden, which was built to remember October 2017. Mark goes to the oldest antique store in the art district that has the largest collection of antique clocks in the tri-state area, and they have many clocks from the 1800s. Penny's with the Tuesday vlog of the day. Trooper talks about a driver who actually wedged their vehicle on a pedestrian bridge at the Encore a few weeks ago. Andre explains that you get a discount on everything by booking through a local resident. Ruby says that Bellagio is her favorite, and the number one reason is the pool. And Ruby's intros have become a cinematic short. So we go from Bellagio to Motel 6. Rick reviews the Motel 6 room without irony, and he did admit that he didn't have a black light to check out how clean the room was. The Raiders are in talks with the Boring Company to get a loop station at Allegiant Stadium, and the Boring Company can dig 1 mile of tunnel per week. Penny's has a live slot off versus Cinamon, and Bobby G was going to spin for Cinamon, but instead, to Cinamon's surprise, Cinnabon showed up. It's just too bad Bobby G couldn't meet Cinnabon. Steven with the Wednesday vlog of the day for the crowd comparison. Laffy Line was at the ribbon-cutting ceremony for the new West Hall expansion. Steven compared the Vegas crowds from April 2020 to June 2021, and Steven's production quality has been elevated this year. Jason with a brief review on his new 500-watt fat tire electric bike. There were 11 updates on the Resorts World construction this week alone, and Sean's was the best. Yesterday, Chico's Donuts had the most entertaining one. Pompsie goes about 1 hour off the strip to Valley of Fire and shoots a pretty big gun. The governor signed a bill that says Colorado River water cannot be used to water non-functioning grass starting in 2027. Single-family homes are exempt, but about 1/3 of all grass in southern Nevada will have to be removed in the next 6 years. KenoKid with the Thursday vlog of the day. Chris lives in an RV full-time, and because of viewer requests, he talks about all the RVs that he has ever owned. The Kenos made a surprise trip to Vegas and keynoted Seeking Vegas Sunrise, who was celebrating Anthony's birthday. Plus, they ate a dog for dessert. Steven paid $70 for a 4.5-mile ride on Saturday night around 1 a.m., and he talks about the state of ride-sharing. Jacob says that the water problem in Vegas is the fault of California. Joe gets the Friday vlog of the day. And when it comes to cinematography, Straight Outta Vegas is not your average Joe, and his vlogs are a nice mixture of daily vlog and cinematic short. Jason goes on the Wednesday night bike ride cruise downtown. Norma goes over the best things to do for summer. Vegas Best Ideas gets the Saturday vlog of the day. In February, VBI had a few people over to their Cosmo suite that overlooks the fountains, but you simply couldn't overlook the dancing by Nick, Gord, and Steve-O. I know they wanted to let their light shine, but a Vegas Best Ideas would be that this is the way in Vegas not to dance, because this would leave people sleepless in Las Vegas. Ted luckily had to leave early, so he missed this Vegas visual. Jason started a new Friday series where Hunter S. Thompson takes you on a wild journey through downtown Fremont Street in search of the American dream. Bill and Lisa celebrated their anniversary at Barry's Downtown Prime. JR will be doing daily vlogs this week to change things up a bit. And JR gets the Sunday vlog of the day for his second of 8 daily vlogs. Dale and Paula were invited to review Oscar's Steakhouse at the Plaza. Did you know Dale's favorite beer is Bud Light? Imagine a midnight swim with no Slotzilla. Just imagine. JR is the godfather of Vegas vloggers because, until proven otherwise, he has the oldest Vegas vlog among current Vegas vloggers. And yesterday, JR talked about and played the vlog from July 2010. JR already had 18 visits to Vegas before this trip, dating back to 1996. Tim goes over his list for the best hotels in all price categories on and off the Strip, as well as downtown. This was a tough call because JR mentioned me in the vlog, and I tried to find an excuse not to choose JR, but having an oral history and backstory of the oldest Vegas vlog among current Vegas vloggers simply cannot be denied. Not to mention that JR is a deep well of historical information and insight on Vegas, although I did just mention that. Did you know Tim drove from Jacksonville to Vegas in June of 2014 with $2,000, and he moved into the Desert Manor with a plan to play poker and be a Vegas vlogger? Steven was going to name his channel, Hey Look, It's Vegas. Steven thought it was a catchy name and something people say as they are flying into Vegas. But Caroline said no, call it Not Leaving Las Vegas, because Not Leaving Las Vegas is more familiar being tied to a movie. Tim announced information about the TVP weekend, which is October 29th through 31st. The RSVPs are needed for the free event by July 4th, and you must be 21 years old. Bobby G has never gotten a royal flush while filming. This royal flush was filmed by Pennies. Crystal had a very well done announcement about PJ's Season 6 of Thursday Night Trivia Live. JR has started a new segment for the Wednesday show where he will talk about past trips to Vegas and past Vegas vlogs. Hog and Two Cent will be in town June 28th to July 8th, and their members pick things to do and they put them on a spinning wheel. Seeking Vegas Sunrise discovered several cockroaches at the Carlos and Charlie's bar at Flamingo. Lucky Dog Slots Hollapalooza is June 23rd through 27th. There are events every day, and it's best to register to ensure your spot in some of the events. On Friday, Tanya and Dave announced that they teamed up with the Bacchanal to give away a dinner for two at the buffet. You need to sign up by July 1st at their website. On Saturday, the Vegas Life posted their introductory video, although they have been around about 4 years. Vegas Best Ideas announced yesterday that you can now RSVP for Rocktober on their website. Rick has been posting a vlog every day since he started vlogging on July 27th, 2020. That is 322 consecutive days, and Rick has posted multiple vlogs on many days. The Trooper is currently working on 45 consecutive days. In the top 10, the Laughing Lion continues to maintain his humorous throne. Lacey becomes the 22nd Vegas vlogger with 10,000 subs. Ace is the next that should join the 10,000 club. Dingo has been climbing up the ranks on a regular basis. Here is the occasional look at vloggers with less than 1,000 subs. Steph has jumped up about 10 spots, and Carly has jumped up about 20 spots. Vloggers with less than 100 subs are not listed because some are semi-dormant and others are just personal vlogs. Starting this week, I'll be listing the scheduled live streams of the week. I usually don't cover the live streams in the show, but I thought it was a good idea to make a list of all the scheduled live streams. In weather, the triple digits are going to be in the double digits this week. And here is the monthly average for Vegas.